Today we're gonna make a tenderloin sandwich with oxheart cabbage salad, a little bit of hot sauce and potato croquettes. Hey everybody, welcome back at Dinner with Dave. Days are getting shorter, it's getting colder, it's getting rainy, and oh my god, you need something to warm you up when you come home from a long day of work. Well, I've got the perfect recipe for that. My recipe for that is tenderloin on a sandwich. It's a hot meat sandwich with some oxheart cabbage salad on the bottom. I already made it, you can see the video, I think there, somewhere there. That combined with the potato croquettes from the oven, you can buy them at every supermarket, so it's pretty easy. And then the oxheart cabbage salad on the side. Oh, that's gonna be nice. A little bit of hot sauce on it. That's gonna be yummy. Well, are you ready? Let's do it. And like always, I'm gonna start with cleaning up the barbecue. First, we're gonna get the cover off, opening up all the air vents. There we go. Cleaning it. Getting everything out. The old charcoal, putting it aside. Cleaning up the rest. It's only a couple of minutes work. There we go with the ash pan. Ash pan back in. Gonna take the net with the charcoal. Fill it up with a little bit of new charcoal. Dusty. My old paint dryer. I'm using this to heat up the barbecue. No extra flavors added. Just turn it on, get it in there, and after a small while you'll see it's heating up. This will only take a couple of minutes, and then when you're having a glowing part you can spread it to the rest because of the hot air, and in the end you will have a nice starting fire. Sparkles, sparkles. So I got myself a really nice piece of tenderloin, as you can see. Oh, nice big piece. And if you see this is silver skin, and you want to get rid of it. Why? Because if you're gonna bake it, it's gonna be rough. So get yourself a really sharp knife and carefully cut it away. And you'll see if you point your knife up a little bit, you won't lose too much meat. Be careful for your fingers. With the tip of your knife, also remove other pieces that you see that you don't really like. Lift them up with your sharp knife. Get rid of it. Of course, be careful for your fingers. And if you got small pieces left, you don't have to wreck the whole meat, but if you got small pieces left like me here, you can leave it on if you want. When it's cooked, and you will cut it into small pieces, it will be nice. This fatty part is always nice, just leave it there. As you could have seen, the barbecue is already warming up. I've got two sides, a hot side, a cold side, and we're gonna get it on the cold side. Let it get used to a little bit of heat. Let it warm up a little bit. It's gonna be here for like 10 minutes until the barbecue is on full heat. And after that, we're gonna grill it and it will be really nice pinkish. After a while, took the tenderloin off. Also removed the heat shield. And right now, it's resting below the aluminum foil. Now the thing is, now we're gonna add some flavors. So a little bit of oil to get that nice crispy bark. Salt. Pepper. And time to put it on the heat. And as you can see, it's really hot. So let's sizzle.
A few moments later.
Time to turn the meat. Ooh. Gonna get a nice bark. It's a big piece of meat. It doesn't matter if you add extra salt and pepper. So a little bit more salt, pepper, few minutes and it's done. Meat ready. Here we go, take it off the barbecue. Turn it down. Ooh, look at this. Look at this. To plate up, got myself some nice buns. Some ox-heart cabbage salad. You saw it before. Got the video linked in the corner. Add a little bit on the buns. Nice layer, nice crispy. There we go. Nice little layer. Put it aside. Here we go, cutting the meat. Nice thin slices. Oh, nice and juicy. Look at this. It's dripping. Mmm. Nice tender meat. And perfectly cooked. Add a little bit on the buns, as much as you want, of course. Nice layer. A little bit more. Get all the pieces in there. Nice thick layer of juicy meat. Time to get the potato croquettes out of the oven. Potato croquettes. Nice, crispy, fluffy on the inside. Oh, mmm. Delicious. This is my tenderloin sandwich with cabbage and potato croquettes. Time for some tasting. This is gonna be rough. Gonna grab myself a knife, cut through it, and again, I really like the hot sauce. I've got the Spanish hot sauce. There we go. The moment of truth. Warming flavors. Dripping a little bit, but damn, this is good. Nice meat, crispy salad, perfect dish. This was Dave from Dinner with Dave. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow me on Facebook, follow me on Instagram. We're gonna see each other next week. Bye bye.